Welcome friends, welcome to my channel Venus Tech Pulse. In the previous videos, we have already learned splitting of string, joining of string, replacing a string with another string, and changing case of a string, uppercase, lowercase, swap, title, capitalize. In today's video, we are going to learn checking starting and ending part of the string. Starting and ending part of the string. There are two ways the two process Python utilize two process such as one s.start with, s.end with substring. These are the two syntaxes, s.start with and s.ends with substring. Suppose this is a string, s is equal to learning Python is very easy. Suppose s is equal to, in s we have written that learning Python is very easy. Print, suppose print s.start with learning, and the answer will be true because it starts with learning. Print s.ends with learning. In the end we get learning. No. Is there any learning string? No. It is easy, so it will be false. And in the third example, print s.ends with easy. Yes, there is an easy string at the end of the learning Python is very easy, so easy we get easy, and this is true. Okay friends, let's move to the next example to check type of character present in a string. Type of character, whether it is a number or it is a character. So the first example is all num return true if all characters are alphanumeric. Alphanumeric means A to Z, small a to z, capital A to Z, 0 to 9. When this function is all num will get 0 to 9 and A to Z or capital A to Z anything in its string, then it will return true. It will return true. Okay, it will return true. Good. Our next portion is alpha. Okay, returns true if all characters are only alphabet symbol, A to Z, small a to Z or capital A to Z. Very good. The next is digit. Returns true if all characters are digit only, 0 to 9. Is lower. Return true if all characters are lowercase alphabet symbol. Number 5 is upper. Return true if all characters are uppercase alphabet symbol. Is title. Returns true if string is in title case. Is space. Return true if string contains only spaces. That means no words, only space. Okay, very good. So now take some example using this is alpha, is digit, is lower function. We are going to do some example. Good. Print Sachin 100. Sachin 100 is a string. Dot is all num. Yes, it is true. Return true because there is a number and alphabet in there. Print Sachin 100 is alpha. No, there are digit and alphabets are there. No, only alphabets, but it is a mixture of digit and alphabet. It is false. Good. print Sachin is alpha. Yes, it is true because Sachin is a string which is made up of alphabets. Print Sachin is digit. Okay, is digit. Print Sachin is digit. It is false because Sachin is a string which is made up of alphabet, not digit. Now print 778899 is digit. Yes, it is true. Print A, B and C is lower. Yes, all these strings A, B, C are in lowercase, so it is true. A, B, C. Now print A, B, C is a string where A and B and C all are in capital word or capital letter or uppercase. Is lower. It is false. It will return false. It will return false. Print A, B, C 567 dot is lower. Yes, it is true because ABC is in lowercase. Print A, B, C is uppercase. Yes, all the string, all the character of the string are in uppercase, so it will return true. It will return true. Okay. Next, print Python language is title. No, it is false. But Python, where P is capital in the language, L is capital, is title. Yes, it will be true. So print in the string there is a space, is space. Yes, it is true. So friend, till now we have completed all these is alpha, is digit, is lower, is upper, is num, is title, is space as a function. For today's class, this is all. We will be we are going to back soon with a new video and with different Python language program example. We will back with the Python language example. Thank you for listening, and please friends, share, subscribe my channel, share my channel, give like to my channel. And if you want any queries, please comment me. If you have any query, please comment me, please. And if you want my previous videos on C, Java and Python, then click on the I button link to get all the link regarding various programming video. Thank you friend. Thank you for today.